Hey everybody, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about the LG top load washer model number WT7405CW. So one thing I really like about this unit is there's not a lot of overwhelming things on the control board. I feel like sometimes when people come in, they see a lot of different dials, they kind of see a lot of different settings, and it kind of looks like a spaceship sometimes. So I feel like this one really just kind of walks you through step by step by step, different cycles, different options, but not it being too complicated or overwhelming. So one thing that we're gonna start with is it's gonna go back to kind of like a traditional top load washer with the agitator. So you're gonna still get, kind of that, agitation process, especially with anything that's heavily soiled, blankets, towels, anything you really wanna deep clean, you're really gonna have that agitator work with those clothes, work with anything that's stained to help really kind of work them around and get them moving. So big stainless steel wash tub. I believe this model has a 5.3 cubic foot, so again, a lot of space. Now, I always recommend not filling this up completely because you still want a little bit of movement. You still want kind of the clothes or whatever, the garments to kind of move around. And I feel like if you really jam pack this, you're kind of limiting the restriction on being able to really move things around. So even though it's a large wash tub, still be diligent about how much you're putting in it, but you have the stainless steel, so no worrying about the old school kind of porcelain tub that can chip and rust over time. Big wash tub. Then we're gonna move up here to the control board itself. So we have about 8 different cycles to pick from, and then you have your different wash settings. So anytime you do anything on normal, you always can kind of edit this to be exactly what you're looking for. But then some of the ones that are already pre-programmed, like your delicates, you're never really gonna be able to have like a really heavy spin on delicate, anything like that. So you kind of have to utilize those the best that, kind of best fit the garments that you're doing. So again, not a lot up here, but the one thing I do like about this is it does have a remote start and a delay wash. Delay wash is nice. I mean, at least for me, when I go to work, I don't want anything kind of just sitting in my washer for a long period of time. So what I'll do is I'll throw like towels in before I leave, set it to actually start in about 8 hours. So when I'm home, I know that those towels are sitting in there. They're probably gonna be ready to go in the dryer soon, and they haven't just been sitting in there all day, building up bacteria and starting to smell again. So delay wash is great. You have your extra rinse, your tub clean, as well as that deep fill. The deep fill, again, isn't gonna fill up the whole way. It's gonna fill up about a little bit above half, but again, still meeting that water restrictions and energy. And you have your time that's gonna pop up here, and you're gonna have that walk down cycle through there. Not a lot, but I think enough to kind of fit your needs and what you're looking for. As always, stop by one of our showrooms to take a look at LG and all the other washers we have to offer. This has been Erin. Talk to you soon.